If your hotel collection diffuser is powered on but not releasing any scent, it's not doing its one job, and that's frustrating. The thing is, these diffusers rarely break out of nowhere. Most of the time, something small is interrupting the diffusion process, like airflow blockage, poor oil feed, or incorrect settings. Everything might look normal from the outside, but inside, the system isn't pushing fragrance through. The fix isn't random adjustments, it's checking the right points in sequence so you actually solve the root cause. Let's run through it and get your diffuser working again. Try these. 1. Restart the diffuser by turning it off completely and powering it back on. 2. Remove the oil bottle and secure it back tightly into place. 3. Clean the nozzle or mist outlet to clear any blockage. 4. Position the diffuser in an open area for better airflow. 5. Increase the scent intensity or adjust the timer settings. Let it run briefly and confirm fragrance starts dispersing.